change the wheels on the Type R.
Okay.
I've got my helper today. You say hi.
Hi.
All right. So, yeah, this is the prep we talked about. So, let's get to it. Here's the grand reveal, the T6R on the RE-71RZs. Leo, what do you think?
Good.
It's good? We're gonna put them on now?
Okay.
Okay. There we go, there's one on. I really like the way these look. Let's get the rest on. Let's go take it on a drive. Steering is lighter for sure, indicative of the lighter wheels. Let's roll. Wow. These are night and day difference of a feel in the car. So these T6Rs have a plus 45 offset, and the stock wheel offset is 60. These are 9.5 wide by 18, so I went down an inch in diameter. The ride feels more comfortable, believe it or not, but just turning is lighter because of the wheels. I think they're, I want to say 6 pounds lighter each corner. So I can feel that, but they grip. Oh my goodness. Yeah, there's no torque steer. Yeah, there's zero torque steer. I was concerned about the wider offset. It's doing just fine. But man, do these things handle. I feel like I'm in a different car altogether. There's a turn up here. Oh wow. There's no way. Love it. Let's get back around. Oh, yep, it's gonna kick up all these rocks because of the tread. Sounded like I got put onto a grill. It said, see how it does in this turn. Nice. All right, that's it. I still got to clean my spoon filter. But other than that, I'm ready. My oil's changed, my brake fluid's changed, my damper module's changed, my wheels and tires are changed. I'm all set. God bless you and your families. I will see you in the next one. We out here. We chopped up. Physically, spiritually, and with cars. There he is. We're going to feature Justice on one of the next videos.
We have to make something happen, man.
Yeah, absolutely. Alright.
What do you like more, big cam or flat frame?
We'll leave it up to the subscribers.